for free.
Listen. That sounded like a jet engine or something.
It was vibrating.
That was a good one.
You get that on the audio?
I think so. Really?
That's totally vibrated. Like,
Yeah. This might work right here too. I don't know.
That was a huge one.
That was a good one. That was loud.
Yeah.
A little bit.
We're turning the whole dunes up, man.
I know.
The whole
I remember seeing online all the footprints on the ridge. Like, what jerks? Why are they walking on the ridge, ruining that sharp line? And we're over here tearing it all up.
Well, next windy storm's gonna be.
Yeah, it'll fix it, right? That was a good section right there.
Yeah, that run was pretty long. Maybe right here. Right here. Right here. Feel it vibrate?
Nice, yeah.
Up here, under steep up here.
You want to try it? Let's both do a section together.
Ready?
Okay, let me get over here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Funny.
It vibrates.
Yeah.
You're like moans.
Yeah. Hey, you want to take the lead on the pristine area for a while?
That's fine.
You can get some good shots.
I
I know, that's cool.
But it stops when the sand stops moving, though, you know?
Yeah.
Right here.
It all breaks away.
Wow. I wonder if it's going, but we step on some more, keep it going, you know what I mean?
Maybe.
We stop and we let it do its thing.
We could try that.
Yeah. Over here, probably.
I wonder if they can hear any of this.
Ready? Here we go. 1,
You ready?
2, 3. Keep it going. Keep it going. Where? It don't vibrate. You feel it vibrating?
Yes, yep.
Keep it going. Oh, right here. It's vibrating. Dude, it's just falling in front of you. It breaks free.
Look at that, wow.
It's breaking. Look at the whole thing's breaking free. Woo! The whole rig in front of you. Look in front of you.
Wow.
The whole ridge like fell down.
Because it was vibrating so much. Huh?
Yeah. I looked in front of you. It was all going. It's still going.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's funny.
Wow.
That was a good section.
And it vibrated.
Yeah.
You can feel it going.
Yeah.
That was cool.
That was cool.
Oh my goodness.
I got that on video. Yeah, I think I got it.
This whole ridge right here.
Yeah. Some of that might do the same. See that?
Yeah.
It's like steep. Then it goes in.
That was too funny, man. You can feel your feet vibrating.
I know.
And you saw in front of you before you got to there. It was all
Yeah.
it's like self-propelling.
Yeah, that's right. That's funny.
That was pretty loud.
Yeah, that was cool.
I gotta be quiet next time so you get on the video.
No, that was good. I think we got some good recordings. We should.
Wow. Oh, look right here. Look at the dude right here. You're right.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
That's a pretty shot.
That is.